Feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heartbeat fast? I'm on the stairs, need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the stir. Every time I kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heartbeat slow? I can't let you go. Want you in my
Somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit? Well, there's fucking one of yes. Disgusting!
Turn up the music, let's get out on the floor. I like to move it, come and give me some more. Watch me get physical, out of control. There's people watching me, I never miss a beat. Still at night, keep the lights fading under your skin. So tight, keep it tight, 'cause it's pulling you in. Rock it all, you can't stop, 'cause it feels like an overdose.
You'll be seeing more from them a little bit later on as they join up and we reunite a GAY family, but that's later. Now, very quickly, so you're not confused, it is no longer 1 a.m, it's now 2 a.m. Clocks have got forward. Now, you may lose an hour's sleep, but you will not be losing an hour of GAY because we'll be open to 6 a.m. instead of 5 a.m. But that means you have to keep drinking and buy more drink. So tonight is all about one queen. She's back home at long last. She's the winner of RuPaul's Drag Race UK Season 6. But this is where it all started. It didn't start in that fucking workroom. It started here. We found her first, not Ru. Anyway, she's back home to entertain you tonight. We're playing the Snatch Game. Please welcome Kyran Thrax!